Good morning. Just wanted to show y'all a little tip and trick as I was coming out to it for a handy dandy lemon oil. For Christmas time, we used a bunch of these contact hooks up around the door to hang decorations, and some of them left a little residual goo behind after we peeled them off, which is no big deal with our lemon oil. So what we do, just paper towel or a washcloth, and it only takes just a couple drips. And you want to show over here. And sticky goo, be gone. Look at how quick and easy that was. We don't have to bust out any kind of crazy chemicals. And yeah, this is why a lot of cleaners have citrus properties. I think now they do it just for the scent because that's what we're familiar with. Hi, Gabby. But originally, we used citruses for cleaning because of their natural cleaning abilities. So, hope you learned something, or either way, if you didn't, I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. Mwah.